with amazing nutritional benefits, an interesting history, and called by many names: Emperor's Rice, Forbidden Rice, Black Rice, Karuppu Kavuni Rice in Tamil. Today, we are going to see the best way to prepare and get the most out of this nutritional wonder. Welcome to Water Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. First, we will see the basic preparation of making rava from this rice. I have taken 1 kg of black or Karuppu Kavuni rice. This rice can be completely black or a dark purple or burgundy color. For the basic preparation of rava, to the black rice, add water, wash 1 to 2 times. Drain the water. Add the drained rice to a cloth-lined tray. Allow it to dry in the shade for 1 day. The next day, you can see that it has dried well. This rice has an interesting story. It was grown in small quantities and consumed only by the royalty in China. The common folk were forbidden from eating it. Hence the name Forbidden Rice or Emperor's Rice. Heat a kadai, add the washed and dried rice and dry roast. Heat until you can just about hold it in your hands. Transfer to a cloth-lined tray. When it is very hot, the rice will release moisture. Transferring it to a cloth will help absorb the moisture. Allow it to cool. Add it to a mixer jar and powder in batches. Open in between to check. Grind to a medium coarse consistency. This is the black rice rava. Once you have the black rice rava, you can store it and easily prepare many varieties of dishes using this. This can be stored for up to 4 months. I am going to show 2 preparations using the black rice rava. First is the Karuppu Kavuni Rice Kanji. To prepare the black rice kanji, take half a cup of the black rice rava. Add to a bowl. Add 1.5 cups of water. Allow it to soak for 20 to 30 minutes. Soaking in water allows the grains to absorb water and speeds up the cooking process. After 30 minutes, place the vessel on a stove. Add 1 more cup of water. Water can be added as per the consistency that you want. Switch on the stove. Keep stirring continuously to avoid formation of lumps. Black rice is highly rich in fiber, antioxidants, and a perfect detoxifier for the liver. Anti-inflammatory too. It prevents diabetes and cancer. It is also gluten-free. Once it starts boiling, reduce the flame. Allow it to boil for 7 to 8 minutes. You can see that the consistency has become thicker now. When black rice is cooked, it turns dark purple. Remove from the stove. Now our black rice Karuppu Kavuni Rice Kanji is ready. There are many combinations that you can have it with. You can have it with coarsely ground black pepper powder, coarsely crushed cumin seeds, and salt. If you like a sweetish taste, you can have it with powdered jaggery. You can dilute the black rice kanji with 1/4 cup of water or according to taste and have with peeled small or sambar onions, green chilies, or with fried curd chilies. Now for the second preparation, black rice spicy dumplings or Karuppu Kavuni Kara Kozhukattai. To prepare, to a bowl, add 1 cup of the black rice rava. Add 2.5 cups of water. Allow to soak for 10 to 20 minutes. Soaking will ensure that the grains are fluffy and well cooked. The ingredients required for the dumplings are soaked black rice rava, oil, mustard, urud dal for seasoning, black pepper, cumin seeds, green chilies, curry leaves, coriander leaves, and grated coconut. For the preparation, add the black pepper to a mortar. Crush it coarse. Remove to a bowl. Add the cumin seeds and crush coarse. Take 2 green chilies and chop them fine. Take a handful of washed coriander leaves, chop them fine. Switch on the stove. Heat a pot. Add 3 teaspoons of cold-pressed sesame oil. When the oil becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start sputtering, add 1 teaspoon of split black urad dal. When the urad dal changes color, add 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves. Saute. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of chopped green chilies or according to taste. Fry for a few seconds and then add 1 teaspoon of coarsely crushed black pepper powder followed by 1 teaspoon of coarsely crushed cumin seeds powder. Fry for a minute and add the soaked black rice rava water. Add 1 teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt or Induppu. When the water starts boiling, add the soaked black rice rava. Stir well and cook on a slow flame. Cook until the consistency becomes thick and almost all the water has been absorbed. You can see that the rice has become slightly sticky now. Switch off the stove. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated coconut and the chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. To prepare the dumplings, wet your hand in water. Take a little bit of the cooked rava mix, roll it in your hands. Anthocyanin and phytonutrients, which give the black rice its color, help in keeping cholesterol levels under check and improving heart and eye health. Set aside. Prepare dumplings with all the mixture. Take a steaming tray lined with banana leaf. Smear the leaf with oil. Line the tray with the dumplings. Heat a steaming pot with water. Close with a lid. When the water starts boiling, place the tray with the dumplings and steam for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame. Remove the plate with the dumplings. Serve the black rice dumplings, Karuppu Kavuni Kara Kozhukattai with any accompaniment of your choice. Replete with nutrients and nothing short of a superfood, this rice, when taken on a regular basis, will cleanse the system, elevate your health, aid in weight loss, and slow down aging. If you liked the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Saturday for another interesting recipe.